Hello guys, welcome to Bull Automotive channel. Now, we have been presented back with a new truck car, one of them Tesla semi-trucks. What a facility! Let's find out. The Tesla Semi-Trucks has unveiled its all-electric semi-truck, aptly dubbed the Tesla Semi, as promised, and the resulting Class 8 transport vehicle is indeed a sight to behold. The Tesla Semi-Trucks has advantages of easy entry and exit, centered driver position ABD expansive cockpit interior, and a lot of features in it. This is the reason Tesla Semi-Trucks very sophisticated. And the features you'll get from Tesla Semi-Trucks are all hardware included, dual touch screens, and seamless integration with fleet systems. Now, Tesla charging. Charge at origin or destination 400 miles of range in 30 minutes, guarantee low electricity rates for Tesla and megachargers worldwide. Enhanced autopilot. Tesla semi-trucks have automatic emergency braking, automatic lane keeping and forward collision warning. Safest driver position. Of course, Tesla semi-trucks highly prioritize driver safety by providing lower center of gravity, minimum rollover risk and jackknifing prevention. 4 independent drivetrains. Tesla semi-trucks have quasi-infinite brake life, no transmission, emissions scrubber, or differentials, thermonuclear explosion-proof glass. And this is Tesla Armor Glass Test. And more features is connected to Tesla mobile service. Remote diagnostics, predictive maintenance, location tracking and communication with dispatch. And last, total operation cost. Tesla semi-truck has a low operating cost, 100-mile route, ABA, 60 miles per hour average speed, 80,000 pounds GVW, $2.50 per gallon diesel or 7/kWh electricity price.